we start again the same class. Okay, sets problem we are solving, right? So I just join now. Okay, we are just waiting for a few seconds. Okay, I'm just connecting this mic. So guys, just share this live to everyone. Okay, we do have a live morning 6 to 7. Okay, sometime it may, I think, little bit delay, guys. Okay, so because I need to do setup every morning, so we have a small stand and right. So guys, if you are watching this video from any part of the Nepal or India, okay, please share this live to everyone. Okay, this is the class 10 preparation classes. Okay, this is free. Okay, we are not charging anymore. Okay, just join now. Okay, just share this video to everyone, guys. Okay, let me just connect this one and if it's visible or not, right? So I'm just showing this one if it's visible or not, just to comment. Okay, what you can do means just to, okay, I'm just doing this for this way. Okay, just comment, guys. Okay, if it's visible or not, right? So I'm just doing like this. Okay, okay, this is the visible here, I guess, right? And I'll do a little bit this side so that it's quite visible. Okay, this is math class for grade 10. Okay, I'm just keeping this stand in this way. If it's not visible, guys, do just do stretching your video. Okay, nowadays we have the feature in YouTube, guys. Okay, what you can do, you can just zoom it right here like this. You can do this in video, you will be getting in the high quality or zooming effect. So guys, we have different kinds of problem in sets, right? So let me check this book. This is the leading math for class 10. Okay, so we have lots of concepts we have already discussed, right? So we'll be here, I think, discussing more here. Okay, so just a second. Okay, okay, guys. Okay, I'm reading this question. Okay, so if I'm writing this question, it will be time taken. Okay, so in a group of 60 women, the ratio of women who like only Tej and only Tihar is 4 is to 3. Okay, we have the total number of the persons. Okay, total number of women, total count is given, guys. Okay, so here total women count is given in this question, and of u barabar total women is given 60. Okay, in a group of 60 women, the ratio of women who like only Tej and only Tihar is 4 is to 3. Okay, who like only Tej and only Tihar. Okay, only Tej and only Tihar is only Tej or only Tihar. Only Tej or only Tihar is only Tej or only Tihar is, just a second, guys, just a second. Who like only Tej and only Tihar is 4 is to 3. 4 is to 3. Okay, this is the ratio here. Who like only Tej and only Tihar, 4 is to 3. And we have the questions. Let me complete the question. 11 women of them like both of them. Okay, who like both? So guys, X 1 second guys, 1 second. 1 second. फोन में लाइव आते हैं नहीं ना guys. So guys, sorry, so I went outside. So hey guys, in a group of 60 humans, the ratio of the women who like only Tej and only Tihar is 4:3 ratio. We have given only Tej and only Tihar who like a 4:3 ratio, and the person who like both is given like a, what you will do here means, so this is the total count is given, and who like both means here just assume Tej T and just what you will do, Tej and Tihar, okay, one with capital, one with small t, okay, whatever you will do guys, okay, otherwise you can assume any value, you can assume value a or b, okay, you can mention, okay, Tej you can assume a and Tihar you can indicate with b sign, okay, b letter. So both a intersection b who like both is given here 11 persons, 11 persons who like both guys, 11 persons who like both, okay. So here both, and if there are no women who don't like both of them, okay. So if no woman who like both of them means, so we don't have this complement portion guys, okay, complement portion is completely 0, okay. If no woman who like both means we don't have any complement portion guys, right. So whatever we are just deciding here, we don't have any complement portion guys, right. It means that, so the person who don't like both, it means n of A union B complement is 0, okay, this is not there, right. If in that case guys, if this is not there, what we can assume, n of U barabar n of A union B guys, isn't it, okay. This is the condition guys. If it is not there, then it will be same guys, okay, n of U or n of A union B also same guys, okay. We don't have the person who like both, right, or who don't like both, right. So we have given, so you can assume this one, if this is the case, the person who don't like both, okay, this is if the union complement is not there, so then we can decide the value of n of U equal to n of A union B, okay, means you can just assume this formula guys, okay, or you can just keep this formula, okay. So this is the case guys, okay. Now you have to assume some value and you have to find out the value of x, and this 11 is given, just to show in Venn diagram guys, okay. So here we have the Venn diagram, okay, here we have the Venn diagram, this is the union, okay. Just assume, first of all what you have to do, assume this one guys, assume let the person who only like Tej, only like Tej and of A, only means only A, I have indicated Tej with A guys, okay, is 4x, and only B means Tihar 3x, okay, 4x and 3x, you can assume this one, okay. So now you can show in Venn diagram, this one, I have assumed with A or B. So here we have given the person who like both is given already 11, okay. So we have given only portion, that is nothing but 4x is given guys, okay. Who like only A, who like only B is given 3x. Who don't like both is 0. Okay, this is the question, guys. Okay, so this is very clear questions. Total number of movement count is given. Only Tej who like only Tej and only Tihar is 4:3 ratio. This is the question from the ratio. Okay, so here the person who like both. Okay, so I have assumed Tej with A, Tihar in B. Okay, in these two letters I have indicated. So the person who like both A intersection B is 11, and the person who don't like both is given as a 0. Okay, nothing. They have to. We don't have any person who like both, right? Who don't like both, right? So who don't like both? We have 0, right? Nothing. If in that case n of u equal to n of A union B, just use the formula of n of A union B, or any formula you can use, guys. Okay. So if you use this formula n of u equal to, then keep this value is 0, right? Doesn't matter. So you can use any formula, guys. Okay. So here, so I will just use this one. I will use the same formula, don't worry. And only A, this is the only A value, guys. Okay, this is the value of only A, this is the value of only B, this is the value of A intersection B, this is the value of A union B complement, right? So use this value, only A, only B. Okay, if you are using the formula of only, then always add this section, guys. Okay, intersection section. Okay, formula of only. Okay, then you can add A union B complement, right? So here, so we have given 60, right? Only A value we have 4x, only B value we have 3x, and only intersection value we have 11, right? So you can just calculate this value, guys. Okay, so here, okay, in case 60 minus 10 11, what you will do? 60 minus 11, and 4x plus 3x means 7x, right? Okay, so here 7x equal to 49, guys. X equal to 49 by 7, and 7 7 the 49, that x value is 7. Okay, so it's very easy. Okay, it's very easy question, guys. Okay, so you have to find out the value of this one, and what you have to understood means, so this is the case. Okay, so if the question is in like ratio form, then you have to assume 4x and 3x. Okay, you have to point out this value, right? And you have to understand this case also, guys. Okay, if A union B complement is 0, then whatever, you can use any formula, either this formula, either this formula, right? So you can use any formula. If you use this formula, then keep A union B complement value is 0, right? So you can use this formula also, guys. Okay, because we don't have this portion here, right? So this is the x value. Now find out the value of only A value. So the person who like only Tej, right? The person who like only Tej, the person who like only Tej, the person who like only Tej, only A Tej. Okay, 4x, that is nothing but 4 into 7, x value is 7, 28. And next, the person who like only Tihar is 3x, 3 into 7, 21. Okay, so this is the case, guys. It's given here. Okay, this is the questions from the ratio. Okay, you guys can do more questions, right? There is a similar pattern. Okay, so here we have one more question, guys, given. Okay, and so guys, we have to find out the ratio who like Tihar that of Tej. Okay, means Tihar means n of B upon n of A. Okay, this ratio, guys. N of B means 21, n of A means 28, guys. Okay, in that ratio you have to find out. And in this case, right, who like only tihar that of, okay, who like tihar, okay, one not only tihar guys, okay, sorry, who like tihar that of tej, okay. First of all you have to find out who like tihar, this is only tihar, okay, this is the case only tihar. Who like tihar means, who like tihar, tihar means who like, first we have who like tej guys, okay, first is tej. Who like tej means what you will do, that is you have to find out n of a, okay. N of a means, so 4 7 ja 4 7 ja 28, okay. 28 plus 11 you have to add this portion guys, okay, this is the one, right. 28 11, okay, okay, 39, okay. So now same way you have to find out n of b, 21 plus 11, right, 32, right. In that way you have to find out. So tihar means 32 by 39, tihar that of tej. So like tihar means 32 and tej means 39, right. In that case you have to find out the ratio, okay. So here you have to understand this concern, right, whatever it's asking, okay. So this is the question from the ratio type. You guys can do more practice, okay. We have lots of ratio type questions in model set also, right. So just use this technique, okay. You have to understand this Venn diagram clearly. Once you will get idea about this Venn diagram, you can uh, easily solve out any problem guys, okay. If you are just doing the preparation for the class 10, if you are in Nepal or any other country, then you have to understand this formula first, right. So in mathematics I always recommend you should know first formula guys, okay. you should know you should know formula, okay. This is very important portion guys, right. This is the very important question, okay. If you don't know the formula, then you cannot make any question right now, right, because you will not get the idea how we need to do this one, okay. If you will understand this Venn diagram, okay, then fine, you can just solve out the problem anyway, okay. Sometimes some people are saying find out the a union b. What you will do means just add up this three, okay. No need to remember formula, okay. A union b means just add everything, right. So n of u means add everything, okay. Only a means just this portion only, only b means this portion only, intersection portion means this portion, this is the middle portion is intersection, okay. Union complement portion means outside portion, right. If you got this idea, then no need of formula. If you don't know that basic, then you should know the formula. And if you need to get good marks in this set topic also, you should know this pentagram and this formula both, right. So this is the very clear cut answer from my side, right. So this is the set problem. So we have already discussed different problem, okay. So we'll go with the we have some problem from percentage, we have some problem from ratio, right. So in this case, this kinds of problem we have, right, okay. Sometimes the data is in like a ratio format, sometimes data is in percentage format, sometimes data is in number format guys, right. So you have to think, okay, so how to solve this question and what to assume, right. So this is up to you guys, okay. You can just assume, so how to solve and what to assume, right. This is up to you guys, right. Now, so this is the complete overview how you can solve the sets problem in from ratio type question, right. Here you will get the question from ratio type, right. So sometime it may be given not only, sometimes given who like these or something, right. Then you have to just subtract this middle portion, right. So here in this formula, right, it's in the case, okay. Let me just explain, just I will just change some data here, right. I'll explain Venn diagram, you will be getting the answer, right, okay. Let's see, you got some data, similar data, but here 11 you got who like both, but here you got who like Tej and Tihar, you got 4x and 3x. Okay, not only. What you will do? 4x and 3x, who like Tej and who like Tihar? It is not only, right? In that case, you have to subtract this 11, guys, from here, and here also you have to subtract this 11, and here you need to keep 0, isn't it? So this is the very simple logic. Okay, if this same questions, if they are just changing the format, who like or who only who like, okay, these two are different concept. Only who like these is this one, this person only. Okay, so it only who like these, if already given means no need to subtract this one. Okay, if nothing is given, who like these and tihar is given means you need to subtract this portion to get only. Okay, here also you need to get only, you have to subtract this portion, guys. Okay, this complete value is given 4x. Okay, this complete value is 3x. Okay, you need to get, if this one portion means you need to subtract this from, okay, from total. Okay, just subtract this portion from total means 4x minus 11, from total you need to subtract this one, 3x minus 11. Okay, this is the second type question, guys. Okay, sometimes just do one thing, just solve this question. Okay, in your home, what you will do, Tej and Tihar, I'll just change this question. Okay, okay, here 60, the person who like Tej and Tihar is 4:3. Fine. Okay, this is the quite different question, guys. Okay, so I have already explained this one. Who like Tej and Tihar is given. You guys can solve this question, right? So we have the another live for the same, right? Solve this question, guys. So I have given this question. Okay, share this live to everyone. So every morning you guys need to join by sharp 6 to 7. Okay, sometimes 6:10 to 7. Don't worry. So here we have some another classes also. Okay, some people are worried about the science questions also. Don't worry, I'll be, I think, handling science also in next 15 minutes. I have time for that, right? So don't worry, you will be getting the answer, guys. Okay, take care, bye. Just let's join the science live, guys. Okay.